Hey YouTube, it's your girl Keisha Bell and I'm back with another video, you guys. Today your girl got some crawfish, I have snow crabs, I have potato, corn, and eggs. And I have me some water to drink, and I got a little butter sauce over here, y'all. So let's go ahead on and get it in, y'all. Let's get it in. Yeah, I know I like to cut my eggs in half. I got me a knife here. Go ahead and slice those in half. And I'm hungry, y'all. I haven't eaten today. I'm so hungry. So, look, my stomach growling. I'm hungry. Slice this last egg in half. And we're going to get it in. Oh, the yolk is sticking to the knife. Alright, now. I got a pound of crawfish. And I got a pound and a half of the snow crabs. This is good, y'all. Got me some napkins. Alright. I need some snow crabs today, baby. This little baby leg. They're good though. I'm not a pro at cracking these. Ooh, ooh. They good though. Like these yeah, they good. Ooh. Oh, I don't want to break it. I'm going to do it like this. That's good. That is good. Yeah, I did me a little lemon butter sauce with some more stuff in it. And the sauce is hitting. Sauce is hitting today. I should have got some scissors. Probably be like, what you need scissors for them little crabs for? Because this shell is hard to crack. Now I want to get all my meat. Hey. Let's taste the crawfish. Crawfish good. And my egg. I'm just going around tasting everything right now. It's so good, y'all. It's real good. That's good. My potato, so good. It's good, y'all. This is so good. Yo, this be so hard to crack. Probably because I'm trying to break up this little piece here. But I want my meat out of there. Look at that. And got the whole piece. Have to get it full of that sauce. Yes, indeed. This is so good. And I'm eating so messy, y'all. I'm so sorry. But it's so good. I'm hungry because I haven't eaten today. This one, the claw part be hard to crack open. Can't just crack this one open. I broke it. I need some scissors or something. There you go. And y'all don't say, oh, your teeth, you can't crack that with your teeth. We're used to cracking crabs with our teeth down here down south, y'all. when it's hard to peel, we use our teeth. Look at that meat. But let's put it on the spoon. This is so good and spicy. Yeah, I'm getting all my meat out of here. Okay. These are kind of expensive out here. Well, I am winning today. Did it again. Let me another egg. Some more napkins. It's so good and spicy. Oh yeah, y'all, it's so good. So, what y'all feel about Star ending? Oh my God, I'm so upset about that. They canceled Star. Y'all know I'm a Star fan. And, honey, I was upset. When I tell you I was upset I was upset that they canceled Star. Like, how you end the season like that and then cancel it? They're wrong for that. They are wrong for that. I love Star. Oh, man. I don't know. What do we do on Wednesdays now? Can't watch my show. I don't care about Empire because I've been stopped watching Empire. But Star? Oh, man. How they do that to Star? Then I heard that they canceled Steve Harvey's show too. Now how y'all do that to Steve? Oh, I don't know what that is. I'm about to get me another cluster of these crabs though. Now how we gonna know if Star gives her baby up for adoption or not? How are we supposed to know if Simone and her dude worked it out or not? They're wrong for that. They're wrong for that. They're wrong for that. They're wrong for that. I'm gonna get this one. The one on the end be the little baby one. Oh, it went on the doggone floor. Let me get it later. Oh, this so little bitty. This was that. Don't even make sense to crack that part. Oh man, I'm so mad about that. Y'all, my heart was crushed. First I was like, oh, they lying. They didn't cancel store when I had first seen it on Facebook. Then I saw it everywhere. I was like, oh, it must be true. Oh, I cracked this one. Not fighting with it. Man, they ended that bad, though. They ended it so bad. They ended it like they're going to have another season. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I'm so upset about that. Got these hard shells. Can't even bend these. I'm about to stop eating these and just eat the regular leg instead of these claws. Okay, it's just too hard. Probably eat these off camera because yeah, I got butter all over my shirt. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me again. Y'all, bear with me. I ain't got no scissors for this. I eat it off camera because that's doing too much. That one was doing a lot. Give me some scissors for that. I don't know why they're starting to get hard. Oh, I hate when I break it. Oh, I hate when I break them. Especially snow crabs, man. Because I feel like they're too small to use some scissors. But they hard. That's why I don't like to break them. But I had snapped that one too hard. They're gonna be like, girl, you're doing a lot in this video right now. Maybe have to be another one. Well, I got it out there though. And see, it'd be too sharp for you to crack it like that. If you open it up, I'll probably push it through. Let me see. There we go. Probably should have tried that with the last one. Time for this part. I like this part too. Gotta get that meat. I like this part. I don't know what I'm gonna do on Wednesdays night now. Like I used to be looking forward to Star. The Camp for the Steve Harvey show, and the Replace Steve on Little Big Shots, I think it's called, with the kids on there. I think it's called Little Big Shots. They canceled that. Now I used to like that show, but I didn't watch it like I watched Star. I watch Star every Wednesday religiously. You hear me? Every Wednesday. But now, I guess I'm gonna have to find something new. I like Black Ink, so I guess I'll start watching that. Catching up on it. I like both of them, Black Ink, New York, and Chicago. So, I guess I'll catch up on that. The water's good. Make another egg. Oh, did y'all see B Love challenge she did with the eggs? The 24 egg challenge. I couldn't even attempt to do that challenge. I'll be done. I've been to 8. 4 eggs would have been done. Eggs get your full fast. I don't even see how she did that. I couldn't do it. All right now. Let's see if I got this one. All right now. Oh. I broke another one, y'all. Broke another. Well, this one was soft. I don't know why this one's so soft. You see it's soft. I'm just ripping it off. Just ripping it off. It's so soft. Well, the meat's soft too. This one must be overboiled or something. Not eating this one on camera because it's too hard. Unless I could. Nope, can't pull it out. Not eating it. Because that one's too hard to be sitting here trying to get the meat out of it. B-Love was tearing them eggs up. If I had the chance to do a collab with B-Love or Eat With Q, girl, I choose both. I would choose both of them because I love B-Love and I love Eat With Q. So I would definitely have to do both of them. I know I gotta get my subscribers up and my followers up before I can collab with them, honey. You need some thousands. You need 100,000 to work with them. But they all good. I watch them every day. Every day. Every morning I get off work, I'm watching B-Love. I do. I watch her every day. And Q. I watch her just about every day too. I was watching her live video. Dang it, broke it again. Her live video where she did the vision board. I had watched some of that. And I said I was going to do me one. You know. She's so inspirational. That's why I like her. Like, she's so positive about everything. That's why I like Q. They be like, oh, she just copying off of B-Love. But she said from the beginning that B-Love is the one, like, who inspired her. And she watched B-Love how to be successful in YouTube videos. So, of course, she's going to do some things like B-Love did. If B-Love is her inspiration, you know? If that's the person that she looked in for guidance, of course. And I don't even see what she act like B-Love to me. Not to me. They both have good conversations, but I like Eat With Q conversations more than B-Love. But I like B-Love, like, eating. Like, I love her eating, like, the way she eats. I like that about B-Love. And I like Eat With Q's conversations. So, yeah, I'm getting full. I'm gonna eat these few crawfish that I have. Because I'm getting full. I can't wait till I get my subscribers up, y'all. Because I like doing the videos. I do. I love doing the videos. But I want people to watch it and like it and subscribe, you know. Like Daddy Chunk Chunk said. Zaddy Chunk Chunk, my bad, said. Nobody do YouTube and don't want no views. So everybody do it for the views. And I want my views, y'all. I want my views. I want subscribers. I want a lot. So when I do my vision board, cute, thank you, girl. When I do my vision board, I'm putting that on there. I'm gonna put how many subscribers I want and everything on there, because I want my channel to grow. You know, I don't want to just be doing YouTube at a standstill. I want my channel to grow. Crawfish good, y'all. So good. Hold on, y'all. There we go. My camera has slid down. But yeah, I want my channel to grow. Pop me in the face. I'm about to eat these last few that I put in this butter over here. It feels so good. Uh-oh, I done lost it. I'm gonna eat my eggs. How many eggs I got left? Got this one and another one in there. So I'm gonna finish my eggs off, y'all. And then I'm gonna go. But before y'all leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give my videos a thumbs up, y'all. Hope y'all like my snow crabs mukbang. My first time doing snow crabs. It's not my first time trying them. It's my first time mukbanging them though. Y'all go ahead on and give this video a thumbs up. Please, 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 please. Give me a thumbs up. Look, I got butter all over my shirt, y'all. So good. I'm gonna see y'all next video, y'all. Bye.